Okay, welcome back, students. This is a tutorial on how to set up an online account for Parchment transcripts. This is a process that we will use to send transcripts to various schools such as Michigan State, Wayne State, Central Michigan, Oakland University, etc. This is the way that our school will be sending out transcripts. So all students must have an account. If you are also planning on applying to schools such as U of M, Spelman, Howard, Lawrence Tech, Xavier, and Ivy League schools, you will also use the Common App. Here's the difference between the Parchment account we're talking about and Common App. With the Common App, you don't have to request your transcripts. I will automatically send your transcripts to those schools. Once again, I will automatically send a PDF of your transcript to Common App schools, so you will not request them on here. But the other schools, you will, such as Michigan State, Wayne State, etc. Okay? You have before you a registration code. It's a 25-digit code, all caps and numbers. So you can put the caps on, keep the cap button on, and then add the numbers in there. And then go ahead and submit. And then you will come up to this screen here. Your name. You can put your middle name if you want. First and last name. Gender. Date of birth. Current level, which should be 11th grade. Entering college 2014. Email address. Password. Confirmation of the password. And some type of username. Okay? Don't worry about the username. It could be anything because you're going to use your email address to log in anyway. Okay? So if you forget your user, don't worry about it. You're going to use your email address. Okay, generation is if you have anything, after your name, the first, the second. So a lot of times young men will have that, junior, etc. Okay, you can go ahead and put no right now for these. We can come back to that later because right now all we want to do is get our transcript account together. Okay, we have other means of doing the scholarship searches and college search. We use career cruising and we use some other things through our college readiness program. So right now you can just put no, no, and then agree to these areas here. Your parents at the the junior meeting were made aware that we will be using this as our transcript service. Also, I sent an email to your parents and a PowerPoint, a video presentation saying that we will be using this service. Then you will have this signature here. You have to do that with the mouse. And then click this button here. And then type the name here. And then check this here. If you want, you can put, I do waive my right to access, or I do not waive. It doesn't matter because they're just going to receive your transcripts. They won't receive any letters of recommendation from this site anyway, only your transcripts. Okay, so after you do that, let me go back a second. After you do this, you'll come to a page and you'll have to put continue. Okay, after you put continue, then at the top of the page you will click transcripts, my transcripts, and you'll end up here. Now, once you're here, then you're complete. You can stop at this process. So, what does this mean? That means that you've already requested your transcript, and I'm going to upload it. When I upload your transcript, you'll see this area here. It's now a light colored blue. It will be a dark colored blue. And a few days after you complete this registration process, when you click the view button, you will be able to see your transcript pop up on another screen. And you can make as many copies as you want. You can see your transcript at any time. Now, once your transcript expires, meaning that every time you have a new semester, like in January or June, you you receive another transcript. So if you ever want to see an updated transcript after the new semester has arrived, you will delete this old transcript and then click a button over here that will say request your latest transcript, and then I'll get a notification and we put your latest transcript up here and you can view it and you'll see your latest transcript. This button here is the important button that you'll use as a senior. So say for instance you want to send a transcript to a certain school, which you will want to do. You'll click this button here, and then you'll enter the college information and then go from there. But right now, all we want to do is complete the registration process and just stop at this screen. And you can just log out and you're through. Thank you.